At this point, we're going to install the Polaris battery. Storing your battery fully charged is extremely important. Slide the battery back into the battery box. Take the battery guard, carefully install it around the outside of the battery the way it was in the spring. Install the rubber clamp on the back side and hook it around to the front, securing the battery. At this point, you're ready to connect your battery cables. The first thing we're going to do is hook up the positive battery cable. So we've reached the point where we've got the battery back installed and the cables are back on it. This is a great time to look over and make sure all your wiring is in the proper place and in the proper location. Snug your battery bolts down to the proper torque and slide the red cover over the positive side. At that point, you can put your plastic fasteners back in and you're done with the battery install.